Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com, and today we are gonna review an application, Lamour, Love All Over the World. So many of my subscribers were asking me that to post a review video on this application and tell us if there is any way to get a free credit on their account. So we will discuss all these options and I will let you know if this application is fake or not. So let's get started. So once I installed the application, I have noticed that many of girls were trying to contact me and was convincing me to buy any of their subscription plan. I really thought that it's not a real application. What I actually did, I asked my friend and I told him to install this application and notice if the same bots or fake profiles, same girls will contact you. He actually noticed that he got the same messages from the same profiles, and at that time I really noticed that it's a fake application and people behind the Lamour application are trying to convince you to get any of their premium plan to use their application. Once you install the application, trust me guys, you will never get a text messages from these girls because these are bots and these are all paid profiles. So I have got to the Play Store and scroll down a little bit and view the review section, and I really noticed that people were having the same experience as I did. One of the person wrote a review and trying to saying that don't install the application, it's just a waste of time and a waste of money. Only fake profiles once you log in. And the same thing guys, you will receive tons of messages from the bots after subscribing it. It's absolutely dead application and no real profile and nothing after all. So it's a fake application guys. Believe me, trust me, don't buy a subscription plan and never try to get into it. And one thing more, many of you are asking me that how we can get a free credit on this account. So there is no such way that you can get a free credit on the Lamour application. What they want is to convince you and force you to buy any of their subscription plan. So believe me guys, there is no way to get free credit on this application. I have searched over the internet few hours and I really found nothing. Don't waste your time and money. That was it for today guys. Please let me know how was your experience with this application. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.